welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha and in this video I'll be showing you a chicken leg fry recipe. This is a quick, instant and luscious and goes very well with any parties or evening snack. So let's see how to make this, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Let's watch how to make this chicken leg fry. So chicken leg fry recipe, I have taken few chicken legs. To this I'm going to add salt, add black pepper powder, one teaspoon curd, little turmeric, coriander powder, chicken masala powder, half egg, and squeeze a lemon. Mix this properly. Add ginger garlic paste. Add a spoon of Maida. Add a spoon of rice powder. Add little chilli powder. Now mix this well. So this is mixed properly, and now we will keep this in fridge for approximately 2 hours and then fry them. So this has been resting in fridge for approximately 2 to 3 hours, and now we will fry this. Add oil enough for deep frying. So here the chicken leg fry recipe is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.